everyone, I'm Marc Sievers, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most fabulous and simple hors d'oeuvre, my Crostini de Brie. So, this appetizer is one of the most luxurious and simplistic things that you can possibly serve. It takes hardly any time, and it is a wow factor when you serve it to your guests. So, let me show you exactly what I have. So here I have a sheet pan lined with parchment paper, and I have some beautiful toasted, about inch sliced thick baguette on the diagonal that I've toasted in lots of butter on both sides. And the idea is that you're not really looking for a hard crust on these. You're looking for nice, tender tops so that when you put your knife through it, it cuts perfectly. So I'm going to put these on my sheet pan. And then I have, of course, this is the Crostini part of Crostini de Brie. And then, of course, I need some brie, or in this case, I'm using a beautiful triple cream from France. And I have it sliced about a 1/4 inch thick. There's really no rhyme or reason to how big you want the slice. You just want it to fill most of the top of the Crostini. And then I have delicious, beautiful clover honey. And I'm just going to drizzle a little bit over the top. This recipe actually came from a beautiful restaurant called Le Rêve in Milwaukee. Whenever I'm in Milwaukee for clients, Le Rêve is my go-to for a beautiful, cozy French bistro dinner. I love it so much, and I've ordered this about 20 times. And it's so simple. And then a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper. And then from here, I'm going to go put these into a high broiler for about 60 seconds. And the idea is that you want the cheese to become melted, but you don't want it to become runny. You still want that beautiful sliced triple cream to have that perfect shape to it. So it just gets a little gooey and soft. And then, et voila, here they are. So I like to put a little piece of arugula on them just to give it a little bit more of a peppery bite. You can also serve them with a little side pile of arugula for color, but I think it's also nice for people to put a little extra arugula for a little bit of kind of green, and it makes it feel healthy, right? So, toasted baguette, honey, triple cream, coarse black pepper. What's not to love? I hope you loved this video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell notification to be notified of future videos as soon as they post. Head over to marcsievers.com for this recipe and many others. Also, lots of entertaining ideas and kitchen tips and tricks. Until next time, bye guys. Okay, now I'm going to take a really serious bite. That was a serious bite. You guys are going to go crazy. Au revoir.